Okay, so the fun part of this is actually the fastest part of this, doing a keyword poking campaign. And we do this with the keyword poking tool, which is within the TubeSend Alpha software suite. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's already kind of set up here. I'm just going to come over here to the videos, and you can see I've got these tabs at the top here that I need to go one by one. Okay, now the first thing I do is to have a campaign or a project within Longtail Alpha, and you can see here that I'm putting all those keywords that I've got into the first column. Okay, I can put it in one column here. There's multiple ways that you can use the Longtail Alpha tool, but for the sake of what we're doing today, I'm just keeping it simple so you can understand and I don't complicate things and make the video longer. Okay, so I've already done this first one, and I need to come back now and I need to do the second one. Okay, so I'm going to do what I called HTA2. This is high ticket affiliate number 2, because I've broken this into 4 different projects, and the reason I'm doing that is because I want to put a few up at a time, and when I put a few up at a time, then I'm going to delete those videos once I've got the results between 35 and 45 minutes later. Okay, so coming back over into the keyword poking tool, and I come over into the options next once I put my video up here. In fact, let me just cover the video. The video, I've got the same video. It's going to go into all of these channels. Okay, and I choose the video quality. I've got 1080. Select a category, make sure it's set to public, and here we can set the thumbnail settings. Okay, you can see here basically that we can choose the size of the font, and it's going to put whatever the title is in this space here into the thumbnail, and you can choose the background color and the text color, etc. Okay, so we can click and save that, and that's all we need to do for the video here. Okay, next you'll see there's a titles column, but I'm using the Longtail Alpha. Okay, we can use this titles column. You can add titles one at a time in here, or you can take from the Longtail Alpha. If you're going to do bulk videos, you better use the Longtail Alpha tool. Okay, next is the tags, and you can see here that we can import from any project from Longtail Alpha. That means that we're going to be using the same title and the same tags. Okay, the tags is what the rank tracker will check. It will check the rankings for the tags. So if you put 5 tags on the video, it's going to check that video for 5 keywords. Okay, that's the 5 keywords it's going to check. Here in the description, I've got just one simple description. Okay, I'm not making this complicated. In fact, I was a bit lazy with this one. Okay, now the accounts, you can see here I've got 47 different accounts. All of them have got the internal API authorized. Okay, the internal API can do unlimited uploads, unlimited. The YouTube API, the official YouTube API, they give you 10,000 credits per day. If you upload one video, it takes up 1,600 credits, so you can see that that's not really a viable option for us to use, which is why we built the internal API tool. But your channels need to be authorized. Your channels need to be verified. Okay, you need to verify each channel, otherwise you will have limitations in how many videos you can upload, whether you did it manually or via the YouTube API key. Okay, if you're verified, I think you can do 50 uploads per day on verified channels. Okay, so next we will have results in here as we start to do it, and here in the options we've got several options here. You can see I've set the number of threads to 5. I've set it to ping the URLs. We can choose to index the URLs, but I haven't got an indexer connected here. I haven't got one integrated here right now, so I'm just going to skip that. And we can send to rank tracker after it's been uploaded, after the campaign is finished. Okay, and again we can choose the long tail send keywords. Okay, in this case I think it was HTA2. I'm just going to make sure over here I'm just clear that, and I'll choose HTA2 and add it. Okay, that means the title is coming from here and not the titles column, and the tags are the same as the titles. Okay, and all we need to do now is we can just start uploading, and it will do 5 threads at a time. And you can see how fast this is. It's really super fast. And we got 100 videos on this. I split them into 4 different projects. There's 380 videos to be uploaded all together. It's the same video, but what we're going to do is we're going to delete after we have finished the campaign about 30 to 45 minutes later. So while that's happening, come into the rank tracker, and you can see this one here, the ClickFunnels one. I've already deleted most of these, and I come into this one here, and all I need to do is I can checkbox this and make sure I've got all of these checkboxed. And before I do that, I'm just going to make sure that I've exported all of this. Okay, I'll just call this one HTA first run. Okay, just so I know what it is. It's only for me. I'll just save that in here. Now what I can do is, when I've checkboxed all of these, this is a previous campaign. I don't want to keep those videos up. I can come here and click on delete, and delete selected videos from the channels. Okay, that's on different channels. All of these videos on different channels. I can choose that, and it will go into YouTube and it will start deleting. And you can see how fast that is. It's taking those videos off YouTube before I can get my channel gets in trouble with YouTube. Okay, so let's come back to the keyword poker, see how we're doing. And there we go, every single one uploaded. Okay, so now that's been done, we go over to rank tracker, and you can see HTA3 is now starting to check. Okay, it might be too soon to be able to get any rankings right now because they're just literally uploaded right now. So you want to run that maybe again in about 10 minutes. Some of them will not even be rendered yet on YouTube, but we'll let it run anyway. And this is a bit slower because it's got captures and stuff. We actually put a delay in between them, so we can come back and check this later. We can check this while we're doing the next video. Okay, so that's it for this one. Very quick, very easy, super tool, really valuable tool that can help you to go out and find keywords that you can rank for very quickly. And as you can see with the ClickFunnels one that I've already deleted now, we had, we got rankings on Google, and we had some rankings on YouTube, but I ran it a second time and they kind of disappeared for some reason. And we should have in green when they got rankings, so it's a little bug that we got in here that will be fixed. Anyway, that's it for this video, and in the next video what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the videos that I used and how I made the video, just so you can make a video quickly yourself in about 10 minutes if you know what you're doing. Okay, it's very quick, it's very easy, it's quite painless actually, and you can come up with quite a decent video, good enough for what we're doing here for the method 1 for keyword poking.